Walking in high heels can be tough at first, but it taught me that belief and determination can help you master anything. I hope sharing my experience with you today will inspire you to try those fabulous high heels you've been eyeing. Welcome to CHRISTY Tips. When you are walking in high heels for the first time, the first thing you need to do is to start with the right pair. When I first tried walking in high heels, I was so excited that I didn't pay much attention to the pair I chose. I went for a stylish pair with a towering heel, thinking it would make a statement. Well, it did, but not the kind I was hoping for. Those heels were not only sky-high, but also uncomfortable. Within minutes of attempting my first steps, I realized my mistake. The discomfort was unbearable, and my attempts at graceful walking turned into a struggle to stay upright. It didn't end well. I ended up with sore feet. What an embarrassing memory I'll never forget. The lesson I learned the hard way is to start with a comfortable and stable pair, especially if you're just beginning to wear heels. A lower heel height makes a significant difference in how easy it is to maintain balance and take those first confident steps. Starting with lower heels, like kitten heels or Mary Jane's, is a smart move. These styles provide a more gradual introduction to high heels, helping you adjust to the change in balance without overwhelming discomfort. Kitten heels offer a touch of elevation without the challenges of towering heights, while Mary Jane's adds both style and extra support with their instep strap. I wish I had chosen these options for my first high heel experience. It would have saved me from aching feet and a less than elegant debut. So, whether you go for the sleek simplicity of kitten heels or the classic charm of Mary Jane's, starting with a lower heel makes your first steps into high heels more enjoyable. After you've got the right heels on, the second thing I learned is to walk heel to toe. It might seem too basic, but a lot of new high heel fans miss this. Basically, it's about how your foot hits the ground. First the heel, then the ball of your foot, and finally, your toes. Imagine it like a smooth roll with each step. It makes your walk look nice and helps balance your weight. I know it sounds a bit techy, but let's think of it as your own special heel-to-toe dance. I'll admit, when I started, I didn't care much about this. My first heel walk was more wobble than walk. It's easy to forget, especially when you're excited about your new heels. But trust me, once you get the hang of this heel-to-toe thing, it's like finding the secret to strutting confidently in high heels. So, each time you're out in those cool heels, remember the order: heel, ball, toes. It might take a few tries, but soon you'll be walking like a boss, feeling like you own the sidewalk, maybe even the catwalk. If you're finding value in this video, I'd be incredibly grateful if you could consider giving it a thumbs up, helping it reach more people. Once you've sorted out the right pair and mastered the heel-to-toe technique, the next step is putting in the time to practice walking in those high heels like a pro. Think of it like any skill you've picked up: playing an instrument, riding a bike, or even perfecting your makeup. The more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you become. It's the same with high heels. Start by strutting around your home. Get used to how your body moves and how your feet feel, and build up that muscle memory. Walk on different surfaces, like carpets, tiles, and even pavement, to get the hang of various surfaces. The goal is to make walking in high heels second nature, like tying your shoelaces. Don't be too hard on yourself if it feels a bit awkward at first. Over time, you'll notice an improvement. Walking in high heels will become more of a breeze than a balancing act. Choosing the right high heels can truly make a significant difference in your comfort and confidence. For valuable insights, check out these videos highlighting heels to avoid. Watch and learn. It could save you from unnecessary discomfort and missteps as you step into the world of high heels.